Yeah, I gotta be honest, out of everybody in the competition right now, I think you have surprised me the most. You have gone from this scared to death little girl who we had to try and talk into doing it on the first time to working a stage. Your vocals have improved. I just think you've come on heaps and bounds. Well done, babes. Alicia.
Hello. I am very shocked. I just can't believe that such a young girl picked such like old classic song. Thank you. Yeah, and that was a lovely performance. You moved around. You seemed so confident, so I can't believe that you were just saying that you were so shy. Wow, I think you sang it beautifully and you should be very proud of yourself. So well done.
Thank you. Yeah, Tia, it was a lovely performance. It wasn't perfect. Yeah, you know that yourself. There were little bits that went slightly off and whatever. But the thing is, you are improving. I think last week was a better week than this week for you. You really shone last week. But this week was by no means a bad performance. The thing is, you've got to take on board, you are getting better. You are improving a lot. This song choice wasn't the best song choice, but you haven't been well, so it was an okay song for you to sing, yeah? But your breath control is better, your pitching is getting better. There were a few bits that were slightly out then, but it's getting better. You're learning to listen to the music and your timing is getting better. And you're exploring your voice more, which is what it's all about at your age. You're so young still, you've got so much more growing to do, but you're on the right track, darling. It wasn't the best song choice this week compared to last week, but you did well with what you had, so well done, darling.
Yeah, Tia, again, like, further on what Louise said, again, we've got to remember back to, when you came into this, like, you're young, you've had zero experience, and when you came into this, it was, like, overwhelming. It was like, I still remember that first day, he was like, well, where's the words? Because he thought I was going to have words up there in front of you, you was really like, what do I do? Where do I go? What am I supposed to do? But you have grown. I mean, I know it's been quite a challenging journey, but you've grown and you are listening. You're starting to listen. And everything's starting to develop. Everything that needs to happen. Your pitching, how you're singing. Again, I don't think this was the greatest choice, especially for the quarterfinals, but you did sing it well. And actually, it was probably, really clean compared to some of the previous performances. So you should be proud of yourself. I think the outfit is perfect. It's bang on for the performance. And yeah, you should be really, really proud of yourself. You've got to look at how far you've come already too, see? Because you remember, this is all new to you, and you've come into, Talent Search Cymru, this young little girl, and she's already, in the quarterfinals. Like, you've got to look at what you've achieved so far too, and you should be really, really proud of yourself. Again, well done.